loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cass. If you're
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. First, I'm gonna say Happy New Year's because, you know, I haven't posted in 2 weeks. We're not gonna get into that. It's a new year. That was last year. We're gonna do better this year. Just wanted to cut in and say that I'm gonna do a wig review today because I'm really trying to be the wig lady this year for real. I'm done making them because I can't make wigs and it's always a travesty every single time. So now I'm on the hunt for affordable lace front wigs, and I want to show you guys the one that I'm wearing. So if you want to get some information, I'm going to show you some footage that I pre-filmed that shows you what the wig looks like when I first got it, out of the package, what it looks like when it's wet and then air dry. Well, not wet, but what it looks like air dried after I washed it. And yeah, so let's get started.
If you're returning this week, thank you so much for tuning in again. And if this is your first time here, I think we should just take a moment to hit the beautiful subscribe button that's right below this video. I don't know which side she's on, but I think we should just get to clicking. So this week I want to talk to you guys about my wig hunt. I'm on the hunt for wigs, honey, because I'm tired of ordering bundles. I'm tired of struggling to make wigs because I'm not a hair person. I'm tired of having to deconstruct wigs because, you know, I didn't clip this and that, and then watching 700 videos and still not getting it right. I just want to get to the point, full lace wig, cut off the lace, maybe bleach the frontal if I'm feeling froggy, and throw it on. You know what I'm saying? So the first 2 wigs that I'm going to show you guys are from rosegal.com. These wigs were sent to me, but they are affordable prices. I just want to be able to show you guys that there are other websites besides AliExpress, and if you are one of those people that doesn't like to continuously watch multiple videos to find which vendor is better, or maybe you just have a difficult time finding what you're looking for on AliExpress because it is like an eBay website, and so it's just everything. So if you just want to get to the nitty-gritty and search one specific thing or have it under a tab, these type of websites may be for you. So I want to show you guys how their wigs are, and I'm trying to see if they are actually good wigs because I'd like to just go ahead and just buy them from these websites as well. First wig that I'm going to show you guys is this long, free part, fluffy, wavy lace front human hair wig in a natural black color, and this goes for $134.46 on the website. It is a full lace front wig. It's wavy hair. The cap size is average. It's human hair, free part. The length is long. It's supposed to be 18 inches, 130% density. So this is how I received the wig, in this little baggie right here, and it just came like this. It has a label, like a little label on it, but it's not actually like the name of the wig. But this is great for organizing your wigs. I always keep these little bags. It doesn't have to be fancy to me. I'm not picky as far as packaging, as long as the hair comes how it says it's going to. So once you take it out of the plastic, this is what you have, and it's just in a little net, hair net. I'm gonna just take that off, and then it has a little piece of white crumpled paper just to hold the structure of the wig. So these are the waves, and this is straight out of the baggie, nice and bouncy. And don't see any white hairs, which I'm excited about. And it's also very soft. I have run my hands through this already, and I still am getting no shedding. Nope. Oh, I lied. Here's one strand. So I have one strand on my hand right here, but it's not as much as I would think it would be. So it's not excessive shedding at all. Very manageable. This is what the inside looks like. Once again, it is a lace front wig. So you have this little lace front piece right here going on. I would say the parting space is decent. It's not too bad. I could get a nice decent middle part off of this. If it's, once I put it on my head though, I'll see how that goes. It does have 3 combs at the top. One here, one in the middle, one on the side again. And then it has the drawstring with the 2 clips if you want to make it tighter in the back. So far I'm really liking this, and I'm having no issues. Let's see. And it kind of has, it's almost like a mini, it's not a 360, but it has a little piece with the back out if you did want to wear it in a ponytail, and it has it on some lace as well that you could cut off, if you guys could see that. And I'll hold it this way. And it has little baby hair, so the hair is already trimmed at the bottom. Let's see. So this is supposed to be like a pre-plucked frontal type of lace front wig, and honestly it does look pretty. It's not thick at all on the hairline whatsoever. It looks nice and plucked, to me at least. The knots are not bleached, so I'll probably just toss some foundation on this, and then if I ever go and get like some developer and everything, I'll just bleach it eventually. But for right now, it looks pretty good to me. So that is this wig. I'm really hoping this one works out, because if it does and I really do like it, I'll probably order another one, because I don't think you understand, I'm really tired of making wigs. Like, it's really not the move. It's all fun and games until you really start making it. You make the whole wig, it looks good on the mannequin head. Then you go to put it on your head and it doesn't fit. So I'm hoping that this fits me. I'm hoping it has enough stretch for my, ginormous dome, and we can make it work.
All right, guys, so this is the hair now. I'm pretty sure you just saw the footage of it on my head before I cut the lace off. So this is what it looks like afterwards. I love this wig. This is absolutely the best wig for beginners. If you are slowly getting into wigs and then now you're like, okay, I tried the closure, tried the beauty supply store hair, now I'm ready to just step it up and get into frontal life, this wig, this is the one, not gonna lie. It's not too thick, it's only 130% density, so it's like very realistic looking, like, I mean, extremely. So I mean, if you just are going for a natural look but you don't want to put too much stress and heat on your hair, this really is it. And for $136, you cannot ask for anything more, because the hair is bomb. It does shed, I would say a little bit more. I mean, because every time I brush it, I get some shedding. It doesn't actually shed on me though. It only sheds when I comb it. So that would be the only thing. But honestly, if you're a beginner and you're just starting to wear wigs, like I said, I'm not really picky about hair because my own natural hair sheds every time I comb it. So I don't know, I just compare it to that. So it doesn't really bother me that much. But if you're like one of those, I never wanted to shed ever, you may not like this. But it's the perfect thickness. It's not too thick, because like sometimes some hair is just too thick for you to handle if you're just starting out. So you want to start off with something as realistic and natural and like comfortable for you. And that's what I love about this. I think my best and most favorite thing about this wig, guys, is that, one moment, because I get emotional when I think about this. You don't have to do anything to the hairline. It comes pre-plucked, my friends. I mean, I took her out the package, cut off the lace, and have been wearing her since. A mood. I literally have not touched this hairline at all. I haven't tweezed, plucked not one strand of hair because it came so nicely done. I was just like, what is this? And then I bleached it, and now you really can't tell me anything. I did over pluck my middle part, but that's okay. Just grab some brown liner, cover her in, and you're fine. But besides that, guys, and it has baby hairs pre-cut. It also has baby hairs cut in the back, but I don't ever wear my wigs like in ponytails. But that option is there. Like, it came with a little bit of lace at the back, just like a small little square. So not a 360, but just enough in the back. So if you did a ponytail, there will be like little hair, a little bit of hair, and it looked realistic, so no wefts. It looks so good. Like, I love this wig. If you straighten this, it looks just like if I was to perm my hair and like, take care of my relaxed hair and it grew to be this length, it would look exactly like this. Like, that's how realistic this hair is. Like, you see what it looks like now. She's perfect. Like, it's really not too much hair, but it's enough for you to slay, and it looks so real. Like, it just looks like it could be my hair. I mean, sometimes I want to be extra and have like a 22-24 inch Brazilian body wave, and I want it to be super extra or whatever and super thick. But sometimes you just want to slap on like an everyday wearable wig, and she's here for you. I didn't think I would love it this much. I thought I would have to do a lot to it, and I haven't had to do anything. Like, I just cut the lace off and then just glued it down, and I've been living life ever since. So yeah, the only con I have is it does shed every time you brush your hair, and that's not really a con for me per se. But if you don't like shedding whatsoever, then don't do it to yourself. I also think I got free shipping when I ordered this wig as well, so that's another plus, because it is $136. So if they charge for shipping again, it would be like, let's relax on the beach. So yeah, that's a good thing. I'm trying to think, because I've been wearing this hair and I'm in love. Like, I didn't even have to like really trim baby hairs. Like, it's all just, it's a mood. I love it. So yeah, if you have any questions, I'm gonna try to do a lot more reviews like this year, because I'm trying to stack my wig collection up. because I wear them so often as protective styles, and I just love frontals, so I'm not making them anymore. Like I'm not gonna do that to myself. I struggle so much with making wigs, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get lace frontal wigs because they lay flatter, they're already made, and I can just like take it out of the box and just bleach it, pluck it if I have to, which I suck at plucking, so that's why I love this, and then I'll be done. So yeah, if you have any questions or any recommendations for other wigs that you guys would like me to try out, let me know. Leave all of that in the description box below. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.